Friends, if you've ever tried collecting web data manually, you know how painful and frustrating it can be. You lose hours just tracking what you've already done. That's exactly why I want to show you Decodo today. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. This tool makes web scraping super easy. Folks, forget messy scripts and endless setups. With this tool, you get clean, ready-to-use insights in minutes. And it doesn't stop there. We'll turn that into a smart AI assistant that knows your content inside out, helping you spot related topics and even generate new ideas. Whether you're a developer, a data analyst, or a product lead, this platform is designed to give you real value from day one. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. And now let's dive in. Guys, Decodo is a powerful tool for web scraping and data collection, designed specifically for developers, analysts, and business teams alike. Its main goal is to make web extraction simple and stress-free, while also making testing smoother and more reliable. What really sets it apart is how easy it is to use. It offers free trials for all its products, 3 days with a large proxy pool, or 7 days with 1,000 requests. Basically, you can try everything without spending a cent. What's more, folks, the performance is impressive. It runs on an infrastructure of 125 million ethically sourced IP addresses across more than 195 locations worldwide. That means fast response times and high success rates, even when scraping the most protected websites. It's also budget-friendly, with flexible plans that let you pay for what you actually use. This platform has some of the best prices among high-quality providers, flexible plans, pay-as-you-go options, and even a 14-day money-back guarantee. Mates, for our project, building an AI assistant, Decodo is a perfect fit. It lets us automatically retrieve all the content from our blog, from article titles to full texts. This dataset will become the foundation of our RAG system, helping our AI model learn our style and topics. Guys, let's take a look at how to set it all up. Now let's jump into the Scraping API section. We can also check the pricing plans right here. If needed, we can use the API playground to configure collecting data for any site. There are ready-made templates, and integrations are constantly expanding. There's even a built-in video downloader ready to use. Guys, the most exciting feature has to be the AI parser. It is a game-changing tool that can automatically pull information from websites with incredible speed and accuracy. For example, let's take a look at the demo site, Books to Scrape. It's specifically created for training and testing. With one click, Decodo parses the page and gives us clean JSON data with book details. We can download it or copy it directly. Now, mates, let's try extracting from my own blog. I'll enable JS rendering and let it analyze the structure. Guys, all I need to do is describe in plain English what specifically I want. So I'll ask it to retrieve each article from the technology category. I want the title, article URL, excerpt, and everything returned in JSON format. Then, folks, I hit parsing, wait a moment, and get a perfect result. Everything is neatly structured in JSON, including the title, excerpt, and URL ready to download or use in our system. I can also copy the data or download the full JSON file. And now that we've collected every article from our blog, we can create a Python script that builds a RAG system. It is a retrieval augmented generation setup that helps us manage our content with AI. Mates, let me show you what happens behind the scenes. First, it loads everything. It reads the JSON file with all the entries we scraped through Decodo. The document is right here, with everything neatly stored. Next, it creates a vector database, our knowledge base. Each article is converted into numerical vectors, so the system can compare them and find similarities. Folks, then the script runs semantic search. It finds the most relevant items based on whatever query the user enters. It also analyzes all the info and shows which topics we've already covered and how significant each one is. The best part is that it works offline after the initial model download. It uses just a few lightweight libraries and can search a large collection in seconds. Each match is given a simple relevance score between 0 and 1. In practice, friends, this means we can avoid repeating topics and quickly find similar content. It also helps us analyze our blog's coverage. When I run the script, we can see that the whole RAG system is fully functional. It successfully loaded 10 blog posts, created the vector knowledge base, and found the most relevant articles based on different queries. A small warning pops up when we run it without an API key. With a key, though, the system could create personalized answers and even suggest fresh content ideas. Even without that, it already delivers the main value: automatic retrieval of relevant information. It lets us instantly find related topics, avoid duplicating posts, and generate plans for future articles. It also helps us understand the overall coverage of our blog. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! And since we are talking about handling real-world websites, there's another feature you're going to love – Site Unblocker. This tool is built specifically to get past advanced protection systems. It can solve some types of CAPTCHA automatically. For other ones, it uses smart proxy rotation and realistic user behavior simulation. It also bypasses Cloudflare blocks, JavaScript challenges, and other anti-bot systems. Mates Unblocker works even on highly protected web pages where standard proxies fail. It runs automatically with a 99.9% success rate. Integration is easy via the REST API, and you only pay for requests that succeed, starting at 99 cents for 1,000 per month. Guys, Scraping API is the easiest way to collect structured data from any site. Instead of writing complex HTML parsing code, you send one request to the API and receive structured data in return. There are two versions. The core handles simple extraction with built-in proxies and anti-detect measures, providing clean HTML. Advanced takes it further, adding JavaScript rendering as well as ready-made templates. It can return results in JSON, Markdown, PNG, or XHR formats. The system comes with built-in proxies and browsers, making scraping more reliable. There are plenty of templates for popular websites, so you can extract data from almost any platform. You can even geo-target in over 100 countries, and it works seamlessly with all major programming languages. Folks, one of the Scraping API's most powerful features is asynchronous requests. Unlike normal synchronous ones, which handle one URL at a time and wait for the server to respond, these save you time. With this feature, waiting for each page can take seconds or even minutes, but scaling to large numbers quickly becomes slow and inefficient. So asynchronous requests handle it. You can queue an operation using a POST query in PHP, Python, or curl. The API immediately gives you a unique ID, and the task enters the processing queue. You can send more without waiting for the previous ones to finish. The ID lets you fetch the results later. You can also queue hundreds or thousands of URLs at once. Each gets its own identifier. They are all processed in parallel, and results are returned in JSON. The server sends the final data to your callback URL once a task finishes. You do not need to check statuses manually, and the workflow becomes fully automated. Mates, if you need to gather information from 50,000 product pages, synchronous scraping may take days. Asynchronous requests, on the contrary, allow you to submit all 50,000 URLs in minutes and receive results within about an hour. This approach helps when building systems for collecting datasets for AI model training. It allows you to scale without practical limits. You can integrate this technology with AI automation through an MCP server. You can also upload your own code to it for automatic tasks and use an A10 to configure automation directly on that platform. What's more, support for LangChain and other platforms is available, and integrations with Zapier and Make.com will be released soon. Alright folks, that's a wrap. Decodo takes the pain out of web scraping. Fast and super easy. Today we saw how you can grab content, clean it up, and even build an AI assistant. that understands your work and helps you generate new ideas. But here's the best part. You don't have to wait to see it in action. With its free trial, you can start collecting your own data in minutes. Test it, explore it, and see how simple it is to transform messy web resources into structured, actionable insights. Friends, if you want to try it yourself, register at Decodo using the link in the description. Use the coupon code Daniel35 for 35% off all products. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.